There is nothing quite like that sinking feeling when you turn the key or press the start button and hear absolutely nothing. Or worse, that sluggish, struggling crank that tells you your battery is on its last legs. Instead of just crossing your fingers and hoping for the best every morning, I have been playing around with the JDAG BT300. It is a tool that finally takes the guesswork out of what is actually happening under your hood, and honestly, the level of detail it gives for such a compact device is pretty surprising. The first thing that really stands out about the JDAG BT300 is just how versatile it is. Most of the testers you see at the local auto parts store are strictly for 12-volt systems, but this one handles 6 volts, 12 volts, and even 24 volts. That is a massive range. It means you can use it for everything from your small lawnmower or vintage motorcycle to your daily driver, and even heavy-duty trucks or marine batteries. Having one tool that covers the boat, the bike, and the truck is a huge plus in my book. When you actually hook it up, it does way more than just tell you the current voltage. It digs into the internal resistance, the cold cranking amperage, and the overall battery health. I really appreciate how it calculates the battery aging and the state of charge. It gives you a clear picture of whether your battery is actually healthy or if it is just holding a surface charge that will disappear the second the temperature drops. I have seen so many batteries look fine on a basic voltmeter, but fail the moment they are under load. So having the cold cranking capability calculated for you is a lifesaver for winter prep. Safety-wise, they have built in some really smart protections. It has reverse polarity protection, which is basically a must-have. If you are working in a cramped, dark engine bay and accidentally swap the clips, you are not going to fry the device or cause a spark. It also has a really clever prompt for poor contact. If the clips are not clamped perfectly onto the terminals, the tester will actually alert you. This is a solid advantage because a lot of bad battery readings are actually just caused by a loose connection or a bit of corrosion, and this feature prevents you from panic buying a new battery when you do not need one. The build quality feels very intentional for a garage environment. The exterior is non-slip, so if your hands are a bit greasy from working under the hood, you can still operate it one-handed without it sliding around. The buttons are physical and have a nice tactile click to them. In a world where everything is moving to laggy touchscreens, I much prefer these buttons because they respond instantly and you can feel them even if you are wearing work gloves. The cables and clips are also worth mentioning. The clips are pure copper with a really strong grip and a wide opening range. They feel like they can bite onto any terminal, no matter how awkwardly placed it is. The test line itself is made from high-quality materials that stay elastic. This is important because cheaper cables tend to get stiff and eventually crack when it gets cold outside, but these feel like they are built to last through plenty of seasons. The integrated cable design also means you are not hunting for lost leads in the bottom of your toolbox. It is all one solid, ready-to-go package. This is the ideal tool for the person who manages a small fleet of vehicles or just the DIYer who wants total peace of mind before a long road trip. If you have a motorcycle for the weekends, a boat for the summer, and a couple of cars, this covers all your bases. It is professional enough for a local mechanic to use for quick diagnostics, but the interface is simple enough that you do not need to be an expert to understand the health of your battery. If you are tired of wondering if your car is going to start on a cold Monday morning, you should definitely check this out. It has definitely earned a spot in my diagnostic kit. If you want to see the current price or pick one up for your own garage, I have put a link down in the description below. If you found this breakdown helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so you do not miss the next one. Let me know in the comments what kind of vehicle you are working on lately. See you in the next video.